to the kids on the way to school. Good morning to the little birds. Good morning to the milkman with the cigarettes, who is still awake from the night before. Good morning to the sun and the rays on the roofs. Good morning to the postman and the school bus, and the police cars parked at the traffic lights. Good morning to the driver who waits for the light, while the other car speeds through, and the people screaming, and the girl lying still on the road, and the girl lying still on the road, and the driver of the car screaming, and the girl lying still on the road, and the police at the traffic lights, flashing the lights, and the ambulance wailing, and the people waiting for the paramedics, and the little girl bleeding, and the man in the back calling the mother, and the father saw